If you are watching, please don't hesitate to share. Thank you as you do that. Something wrong. Maybe it might be the camera. I don't know. I'm managing like that, bro. Let manage it like that. So I want to quickly do a brief analysis right now. Please let's try if we can, if it is possible for us to follow this very page. Let's try and follow the page. God do us a favor by following the page, please. God bless you as you do that. God bless you. Please, if you are watching, make sure you share. It is very, very important you share so that we do it together. Still trying to do sharing from here. So we are good to go by the grace of God. Good to go. Please just quickly share. Thank you as you do that. You know, there's nothing good in life that comes easy. Whatever thing you are doing in life, if it is going to yield good result at the end, it does not come easy. Never, never, never. We want to do a brief analysis because we are still trying to let everyone understand the reason why Nigeria must have to be shut down. Nigeria is expired, like what I told us yesterday, 24 hours ago, that Nigeria is kadukao. It's kadukada because it's a feminina. It's kadukada. So we had what Oton said today. Benue was attacked. Benue was attacked today. I want to be talking about also the Curtis in Europe. And I want to be passing, telling our governors in Nigeria the reason why they must not have to be playing the ostrich. So they need to stand up for their responsibility. Let's quickly start from this very video.
Our security system has collapsed.
So we want to lay foundation through this very video I'm going to show right now. This Senator Smart Adeyemi lamenting.
Our security system has collapsed. It has failed. And because it has failed, we need to...
Wait, let me show this thing to you from another devices. Please invite your friend. We know they chat much this time because we are trying to do recap because
our children are not free. Paper is our position. We have a chapter. We cannot keep quiet any longer. It has gotten to a point that we cannot sleep with our two eyes closed. We are not free. Our children are not free. The president must rise to the occasion. There's no nation that is so powerful that doesn't need support of other nations. Individual cannot say you will leave the world without any other person with you. So we must rise. The situation is our security system has collapsed. It has failed. And because it has failed, we need to look for foreign support. It costs Nigeria nothing. Forget the ego, forget the superiority of Nigeria in African nation. Today, we are facing serious problem. If our nation is to survive this period, I'm not in doubt that the security architecture we have today cannot cope with what we are facing. Every part of this country is threatened. From the north to the south, nobody is safe. Nobody can travel 50 kilometers in our nation. I feel like shedding tears for a country that we grew up, where nobody harass you when you travel from Lagos to Maiduguri. I done it in time past. Today I cannot travel from here to Kaduna to Niger State where I was born. The president must know that this is a bad time for our nation. We must look for foreign support to save this nation. This is my position, Mr. President. We must rise to it. There are killing people in the east, in the west, in the south, in the north. We should shut down the National Assembly. Let's shut down. If we cannot save this country, we stay in our homes. Our country is bleeding. People are in poverty. There's no food. People are hungry. Insecurity is threatening us. We cannot pretend. It's better we're not here. There's no thing that here. People are dying. Every day Nigerians are dying. We must rise to the occasion. And so me, Mr. President.
Senator.
Before you know now, this very man they are going to dispense him. The same thing they did to Dino Melaye. Think this Igbo senator also, Aberibe. The same thing. The man is facing problem right now. Now, when we are talking at times, a lot of Nigerians seems not to really understand what is happening. Nigeria is expired. We want everyone to get it clear. It's not only about personal hates here. Nigeria is expired. It's expired. Let everyone get this very understanding. The more we get the understanding, the better for us. Nigeria is expired. You see right now, he's talking about foreign support. He's talking about foreign support. When they have the necessary things in place that can replace the Nigeria. Even the people he's even talking to, maybe about 80% of them are the same Fulani. They just give it time to back and back, you know. Talk your home, you come on for that, Jare. They know what they are doing. I don't know how long Nigeria is going to keep on knocking. We are knocking on the door that have no key. I see all of them. Even I'm going to be possibly playing you the video talking about Mr. President. The president is not alive. Nigeria has no president. So it is being governed by any person that just come. It is a plan work now. What Obama gave you 2015, what we are suffering today, for those of you that believe on Obama and my color, what he want the nation to be, now so it be so, because these are their plans. But most of all, we don't want to understand anything. At the time you want to love somebody, you find out that what this person, go and search out really. Before I render my support to anybody, I must first of all know that the purpose why that person is fighting for that freedom is not to me. That's why I don't compromise my value for anything. Nobody love Obama reach me to start with before. Nobody love, you don't even love and reach me. They tell Ogba for Spain here. Say na mi hermana na be Gobierno de Mundo. Gobierno de Presidente de Estados Unidos. Our respect increased. Why? Because we're able to put ourselves. But we later found out that this man is a wolf among sheep clothing. Then what do we need to do? Go and see Libya today. Nigeria is going to be worse than Libya. Libya up to today is a dead zone. It's a dead zone. Who doing? You see this Senator Smart Adeyemi shouting foreign support. Have they been able to help themselves at all? They have not been able to help themselves. Okay, look at ESN. Ikoso, they went to go and kill the other day right now. I think Una the Kano have finally announced that this Douglas way, it will be turned to his name. Now, aren't you surprised for those fools that is fighting him here, that somebody will give command, the whole earth will obey? Una, okay, now, What are from tomorrow that you really see it? No governor. Wike is on the run. Uzo the idiot is on the run. Why are they running? Why not let them wait? How can you should know who gods are blessed? No one can cause. This man is born a leader. Earlier the better for you to take it. All of them are just assuming. The only person that can combat this problem today is Eastern Security Network, headed by Nnamdi Kanu. Whether you like, go and hit your head in the wall. That's the only solution to this thing. Nigerian army cannot do anything about this. Instead of the South have the South-East governor, they are acting cowardly. Instead of them to say, Nnamdi Kanu. I told you before now, Brafa is restaurant tower. The dying Nigerian run into it and they are saved, whether you like it or not. The only thing that can save right now is Brafa. Your governor cannot save you. Look at Ebonyi. Finally, no killing that is happening there. Who flush it out? Then why will somebody with his right senses go and betray? It's like David was a man that Israel so much loved because of the power that he was having. He so much believed in God. They did not betray David. They did not betray David. Nnamdi Kanu is the David of the East. If you earlier the better you take it. No matter the red head you went to go and place on, take it. You must have to take it. Just the same way Jesus Christ was born. All of them call him son of a carpenter. You are useless. Even though he once he go miracle perform in Nazareth, he was driven out. But when he got to Galilee, today in the mention of that name, that is what is surviving you and I today. Earlier the better for them. Look at all of them. You have the necessary machinery to combat the janjaweed. You are there wasting your time. Look at a senator shouting for international community. America you are calling to. Me they help America now. I'm helping America. Comrade Nutigbinigun is of a use head to America now. I'm helping them to solve their problem. Then you are calling them. American problem reach here. Irregularity wey dey the election. We dey monitor am closely. The carnal man will not understand this because all these are spiritual design matter. No international community will help you now. Help yourself. Empower your youth. Say no. Declare something. Let the whole governor. Governor Oton have been sending message. He will not take this. Governor Oton, I don't want to curse you first. If you are not a fool, Governor Oton, you don't know say Buhari not there. Who are you sending the message to? Why not take the law into your hand? Why not just declare today? Look at whom I am. Nnamdi Kanu. I come. Kabiyesi Nnamdi Kanu. Then you are safe. You cannot keep on playing this ostrich. It's not going to help you. And I begin to suspect Oton now as somebody that is selling out his people. He's trying to do a crocodile tears, selling out his people. Now, you are telling Mr. President, he should give you a right for AK. Now he won't give you right for AK-47. Why not also take the law into your hands? Protect each governor right now. Be autonomous of your own to protect your people. Okay, you have been shouting, deploy. They will not deploy. Rather than they are killing. Look at Bobo Agu. They set up in Imo State or whatever. Bube Pupu Yeke also. Look at it. Okay, why did they set it up? Are they setting it up to come and fight the Fulani? Or they are setting it up so that the people protecting you, they will come tie their hand, go back. Just the same way this very guy called Saul have been killed now. That's what they want to do. They want to disarm your protector. Then you are there, not doing anything. You feel Nnamdi Kanu is your problem. No, it's not your problem. He's just helping you. Earlier the better for you to know. Because a lot of people right now, they are not seeing spiritually because they are blind. At times, the people you mingle with will also determine your method of reasoning. You are moving out with somebody who cannot fly. How are you going to learn how to fly? But if you move with an ego, my dear, you must have to soar. You have to kill your own animal yourself, and you know they eat dead animal. You know they do like cow, the way the Nigerians governors are doing today. Kaduna, those one cannot protect themselves. Kanu cannot. No state today can protect themselves. You are calling on federal, and you all know what's happening in the federal. More na can't swear if you know what is happening for federal. Whom are you people deceiving? Instead of you to just declare something, as it can't be now, I'm taking the law into my hand. But I'm surprised that we still have some Igbo fools who is betraying their own struggle. Okay, now, let's assume one of the Kano is not doing it well. That's not the best way to fight for freedom. You bring out a method. How are you going to get the restoration of your land back from these people? How are you going to get it back? You are not doing anything. All these things you are doing, you are going to repeat tomorrow. Opus Odima is not going to go scot-free because what he just put it down right now, he's putting it down a bad memory for his children and their families. Then every one of us, let's pray the one of Oton. We have a lot of things to do here today. Let's play the one of Oton. Please, if you have not shared, make sure you share, please.
It is an unfortunate development that what is happening, if the federal government have taken proactive steps, today will not be where we are. These cops you've seen here, in the last 2 weeks, we are burying over 70 people just in Makurdi local government alone. This is not accepted. Go to Guma, the same killings are taking place. Go to Gwa West, the same killings are taking place. This is not right. The federal government have refused to take proactive steps to arrest this ugly situation.
Now, one thing that pains me most about this God, you all know that. Why are you people trying to play this ostrich? You all know that this man is not alive now. Everybody man who now, everybody fian war. What is dead now? Everybody all know. The UK Janjaweed that is suffocating everyone today, may our head kill the UK government. They all know about it. But all of them trying to play political correctness, trying to say, may they not concern a mitokam, may they don't concern a mitokam. And your people you are meant to protect, all of them, you are not doing anything about it. You are still keep on saying on federal government. How we, okay, today you knock on the door did not open. Tomorrow you knock on the door did not open. You abandon the door. Find a means to break the door. What was all this game for? All this game is becoming to whatever. Vaccine, they bring it here. Now it was a momentum race, marathon race. We keep on explaining it, coming out every day by day on media. Some foolish fool who are on media, they refuse to understand about the cost of the vaccine. Right now, nobody want to even understand about anything that's happening. This is a thing you have now already know that this thing, Nigeria won't work again. But anytime people are talking about Nigeria won't work again, you always target to the Biafran. That make you sorry for that break. Anytime people talk about Nigeria won't work again, maybe na Iboma they talk, all you say, all that comes to your head is Biafra. There's no way what they have in mind to do. They must fulfill the agenda. That's one thing you should know. And the government that planted this very administration for you in 2015, that you were happy, that Secretary of State, then with Obama came to come and meet Buhari on the eve of the election, allegedly according to Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. It was the same government is there today. Who do you think is going to help you? You have to help yourself right now. Instead of the governors to take ESN as a strong tower, empower these people. These people, they have a momentum force already. This is no longer time for forming. Just say, my dear, we are one. The same cause we are fighting. If the government really mean well for you right from time, what is their measure on ground to protect you? What is their each state governor? What is their measure on ground? What ESN have done? If ESN was not there, do you think what would happen today? Let Nnamdi Kanu retrieve, just put a stop for 1 week. That ESN just pause. Let's see what becomes of Nigeria. Do you think you will have any person to call in Nigeria? What is even making the Fulani Janjaweed today to have a break? Why they have not start conquering everybody? Because they don't know if they enter any state whether ESN is already there waiting for them. They don't know. The only people right now they fear is that ESN. They know what they have come across also in the bush. That right now, a state that there is no ESN, that's why they are misbehaving. Any state there is ESN, just say it out. That this massive killing is still happening the way it's happening in Benue today. But a lot of us, we don't want to get it clear. We are still using sentiment. You don't use sentiment to fight for freedom. You don't become a coward and you want to get your people liberated. Look at what a governor is saying. But they can go and destroy somebody's house. They don't wait for Buhari to come and tell them destroy so and so person's house. They can protect your lives if they want to. Because they are trying to play ostrich, they know that these people are sent by Buhari. Just say, okay, now we cannot do this. I'll be telling you guys, I said it yesterday also in my subsequent video, that your governor cannot protect you right now. What he can only guarantee is salary they can pay you. They are handicapped. But they should give me the accolade that how did I know about it? I know about it. They can't do anything excepting they want to violate the law with the sign in Aso Rock. But it is becoming too funny now that you can mobilize to go and destroy people. Look at Wike, you carry bulldozer, destroy this one house. Edo State governor, carry bulldozer, destroy this one house. Now, what are you now doing to protect your people? Secondly, they are not doing anything about it. And it's not supposed to be so. All hands should be on desk. All hands should be on deck. All hands. Not be only one person. All hands. You know. But I don't know who they are leaving this thing for. You cannot leave it for me because the little I can do is what I'm doing right now. Only the person who have become a commander in chief. Yeah? Instead of you guys to just empower him and just agree, please my brother, please come and help us. We know you can do this thing for us. Then one can the form. You can't do it, you can't do it. We are uniquely unique and differently different. Everyone has his own calling. There are a lot of things the state governors can also do. Nnamdi Kanu cannot do it. Why not just admit, my brother, we thank you for your courage. No wonder God bring you to this life. We don't want to admit it. There are now the king Nigeria with the life forming. Why not just Oton, just call ESN? Just declare. The only word can save this very problem, whether I don't care to know your mindset towards all these things, just declare, I want this country divided. Because any expire something, that's the way it is. It's expired, it's expired. Nigeria is gone. Nothing that will bring it back. Even America tomorrow come. Say, okay, what America want to do, for example? Are they going to support you or they are going to support the Janjaweed? Okay, just look at it. Let even assume it's Biden administration that is to come. Do you think Biden administration will come and save you? If they want to continue from where Obama stopped, where did Obama stop? By giving up, they know the intention of Buhari. They've already given him plans on what and what to do. That was why when Buhari was alive, the main purpose of Buhari, they want to achieve it. Their mind is to Islamize Nigeria because they know that the people living inside, most of them, they are fools. They are fools. That's why it's like this today. The very day you break that yoke, by rejecting all these their plans here and there, automatically it makes them know that yes, you know what you are doing. It's not as if everything you accept. Paste it on your Facebook alone. Anytime you see video, people do video about this very scenario, paste it also. It shows that you are trying to decolonize your mind. That you are no longer interested in this whole game. Okay, now, if any white man sees you, what's happening in your country, and they look at you, you still play away your life, you just do aga for street. Wouldn't they look you, Momo? At that, there is a way what's happening in your own country bring disgrace to you here abroad, which is happening to most of us today. Whether you like it or not, if you like, go and hit your head on the wall. Nnamdi Kanu beat the record of Nelson Mandela. He don't beat him. You can only be compared Nnamdi Kanu right now, according to the story we had, the people like David and Moses. What Nnamdi Kanu have done, nobody on earth has the courage to do it. Nobody. Somebody will say something, look at, I don't want any roadblock in Eastern, in Igbo land, no roadblock. Are you not afraid for such a person? For those who say in a country, Facebook a country, but you command anything, send your younger sister something, message at home. Let me see how they will obey. These are areas where there's too much misconception. Everybody is shouting. Nobody want to do the meeting. Let's talk it the way it is. Okay, now, this very man we are complaining, this very senator, he was complaining bitterly. He was complaining bitterly about the situation of Nigeria. But what was the solution? He complained and complained and complained. What was the solution? No single solution of what and what to do. These are the lament. These are the lament. Look at it.
And because that's fair, we need to look for foreign support. It costs Nigeria nothing. Forget the ego, forget the superiority.
Now, you have people you can empower. If really you want to do it, buy AK-47 for them. We have boys right now, I think 33 boys, 30 boys allegedly have been arrested in Italy for confraternity. Is a part of my topic today. We can deploy those one home. Wow, this game. Wow, this game. And look, all of them are sitting down comfortably. These are all senators have been lamenting. They come there and they lament. At the end of the day, nothing is happening. Only one person. Nobody today is even say, okay, now I support this man. How many prominent persons did you see today that support this very struggle to protect your life? But somebody that put his life online is who you are still calling your problem. Army right now, Air Force are not killing army. They are not killing themselves. Then you are waiting for the same Buhari who shot people deliberately in Lekki massacre. Go to all prisons in Nigeria. You cannot see single Fulani herdsmen in prison. At times, the way we reason, it bothers me. Let agree for once, this system is bad. And abandon it is better than. Don't allow people to start coming on me. They are correcting you all the time. Let us spade a spade. He who the calf see, let them wear it. Learn to appreciate each other. Compliment your mate when they are doing what you cannot do. Not even your senator can do half of what. No governor today have done half of what Nnamdi Kanu has even done. All they do, the money is there. Could you know Edo State today, up till now, the security outfit that is there, they are still asking money for bullet up till today. I saw a video yesterday also. Vehicle is still a problem. But how many times have Eastern Security Network come and say, we don't have bullet again? But they don't do their normal online donation. You see how these people are armed with uniform. But they don't that say that need their personal freedom. They couldn't project right now a good security outfit. Up to now, vehicle is still a problem. Gun, a day gun is what most of them are still using. But we have a security outfit right now, which Nnamdi Kanu set up. Only God knows how he got those things. If you don't know, tell person where you know and may show you. You cannot just wait like this and let the people just kill you, come to your house and kill you. Those states, they don't already read that one. Now just say, make them first deal with the better people on first. Now make them just keep Edo on. Don't just think that it's not happening there. Maybe get waiting. You not get waiting you do there. The people where they experience their own answer, I think their own better part because we don't know when they want to start for our own. Let's agree for once. If you come out on live video, what do you want these people to do? Not complain all the time. Call Nnamdi Kanu. If you are not reach and and call me, I will find Igbo people. Can you call the other man? Call Iwaeke, Mona me call my brother. Let's do this thing once and for all. Okay, look at people are dying gradually. Oton will come and shout today. He said under 1 week now. He said 70 people are dying in one local government. I don't know whether Facebook is going to penalize me for this, but I'm not going to be showing. Let me not show it as a video anyway. Maybe a lot of us have seen it, where they machete people. Where they machete people. So I don't really understand what we are trying to achieve in this whole thing that we are doing. I can't get it. What time we come, complain. What are you doing?
Today will not be where we are.
Let you play about 2 minutes from me. Please like this very page, please. We are begging you, like this very page, our backup page, please.
It is an unfortunate.
Make sure you like and follow this page.
The steps, today will not be where we are. These cops you're seeing here, in the last 2 weeks, we are burying over 70 people just in Makurdi local government alone. This is not accepted. Go to Guma, the same killings are taking place. Go to Bombas, the same killings are taking place. This is not right. The federal government have refused to take proactive steps to arrest this ugly situation that we're witnessing here today. You will recall that I alerted the entire nation when Fulanis in 14 countries met in Yola and declared that except we repeal the prohibition of open grazing law, Benue will not know peace. And on the ground, I did say that I was targeted for elimination to be assassinated.
Now,
and that was done.
Oton, if you are not a coward, what have you been putting in place by yourself as a governor? What have you been putting in place, Oton? You had the money. What have you been putting in place? You always come here and lament. And you say you want to protect your people. Oton, you go feel so say you don't know say Buhari don't die. You go feel so say you don't know what they are so. These people are just being coward. You don't. I've told you, no, now you don't have a governor. What your governor can do is to pay you salary. And only Obaseki have been doing that one consecutively. That's the only power they have right now. They can't do any other thing. If you rise up, I rise up, we can push them to start. Even when there is no plug, we will force them, push them to start. We cannot continue like this for crying out loud. Why am I always speaking like this? I feel every one of us, we are supposed to be the same, because anytime I read the Bible, if you look at the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 26, he said, let us make man in our own image, after our likeness. He did say, let make Igbo people. He did say, let make Edo people. He said, let us make man. In verse 27 of that Genesis chapter 1, he said, in the image of God, make man and a woman. So I feel bad when people are dying up to today, recklessly from the government. Okay, what measure have you put in place? At least buy part of ESL, please come and help us. You can also bribe these people, give them about 1 billion can protect you also. There are people, these people, they are already been trained. Buy security and protect your people also and stop fooling yourself. Buy security. Unadi Kanu is a freedom fighter. He will not charge you. He will not get a profit from you. He will even be happy that he want to protect the people also in Benue State. All of you are in that DB camp. Eh? Even the one that is in camp, they are still coming to come and kill them. Then you are just a governor. But if you are destroying people's house, did you always wait for permission from Abuja before you put bulldozer and destroy any person's house? You can see people we have as a governor as a coward. Now the federal government want it rough. Let's give it to them rough. We can fight the federal government of Nigeria to a standstill. If all the citizens rise up, they are more powerful. A voluntary army is more powerful at times, more than every other military in the world. Why would be coming to cowardice? I can't get. You have the money. You can buy ammunition. ESN, please. The being that you people are finished in Ebony, please come and help me. Do the secret. Let it be secret deal. You always coming to come and cry. Can somebody be doing this one to me as a civilian all the time? Then you help me. No, I won't cry again. A day will come. A day will come. We used to do it those days when we were small. If you beat me the way I don't like, you will be coming back one day. I'll go hide for inside bush, miss shit, use and stone you with the you have. I'm not going to say you have everything. You always come and shout, yeah, the governor are not doing anything. When you know quite all right, the governor will never answer you. When you know quite all right, Buhari is not there. The people ruling Nigeria, they are ruling Nigeria. It is step by step. Rule your own finish. Make a constant come. It's turn by turn. You don't even have access. Or you go to Abuja. Obaseki said it that day. Look at you guys are printing money. None of you could say it. You are just deceiving your people there, not ready to do anything. All the time they beat you, come. Come on social media fight. Oton cannot even fight social media fight. He is as lazy as that. Now let woman not fight for social media. Let the man come try me. You go do me small, do the one we pass that one. Go play and small again.
Killings are taking place. Go to West, the same killings are taking place.
Please, if you are not share, please.
The federal government have refused
like
to
and
take
follow this
proactive
page.
steps to arrest this ugly situation that we're witnessing here today. You will recall that I alerted the entire nation when Fulanis in 14 countries met in Yola and declared that except we repeal the prohibition of open grazing law, Benue will not know peace. And on the ground, I did say that I was targeted for elimination, to be assassinated, and that was done on me. It's only God that saved me. And I did say they are going after my people. So federal government should arrest the leadership of Neatia, Lakota, and Hore that hosted that meeting. Up to today, nothing has been done. This is really unfortunate. It means we don't have a government in place at the federal level. We don't have a government.
Okay, now you now know you don't have a government. What are you not supposed to do, Oton? Call ESN or call Eje or Bokania or go and meet Wole Soyinka, because that man now only waiting if he create narcotism. In 1958 or so, Wole Soyinka, the school where he go now to create cultism. Up to today, Nigerian youth narcotics they practice for abroad. Then you want to be able to respect you. This is what they do. They cannot. They are not useful in anything. They are microwave human beings. The most laziest people. You can't try this thing to Senegal now. What Nigerian people are authority, you cannot try it to them. Abroad here they go beat you now. Senegal here they gather the rebel of Bas for Jant. Now we not get level our embassy. Now we not get a police booklet. Now we now they do police. You did 20 years for Jant. You never go Nigeria. You still they do police reports. That the country you are proud of say you are a Nigerian. Okay, who named Nigerian? Was it not Britain? Let everybody go back to its roots. Everybody stay your state. Manage what you have. What am I getting from Nigeria? Nigeria is not giving me anything. I don't think whether you yourself you are also getting anything. So fighting people that want Nigeria to be divided simultaneously, algebraic equation or otherwise, then you are the biggest fool. You don't know what you are doing. It is as clear as any other thing that this nation will not work. All the leaders you are just saying they are playing games. Oton has money, bring that money or send people. Please, what can we do right now? Then this Nigerian police now gather you for that. The one with them ascribe, give you, made they protect you. Now all of them they are knocking on the door that has no key. How long will you keep on doing this? What does it take to gather your kinsmen? After they were the same people, the same traditional bad ruler, the bad one inside, who sold their lands to Fulani. Up to now, nobody from Edo could come out and say, I gave land to Fulani. The cow we have in Benin that made the Fulani herdsmen to occupy our land today, now people get them. So your leader is your problem, not Bunari Kanu. Your leaders is your problem, traditionally, politically, and otherwise. Even Pentecostally, religiously, or whatever. They are your problem. The problem this man never know how he started. He was solving today. The same thing. Jesus can never committed sin. Jesus can never committed any sin. But it was key for the sin you committed. If at this man have tried, every one of us stand up like that and say this thing must not. Okay, now what? I cannot talk from abroad. I cannot talk from Nigeria. Okay, who am I then? You are just afraid of being a coward. Look at some people now that will go and die in cultism. At this equal saw right now that died. A name of a street or a governor property are be given by his name. If he had children today, where your children name, the way they will respect their children. You yourself that was alive, that value your life, and no one do anything, who later went to go and die stupidly in cultism. Is it not better than? It's better to die a freedom fighter now. If you die a freedom fighter, you have just saved that name that your children will benefit from. So far you serve in the community, whereby they recognize good thing. Look at it today. The guy, wherever he is right now, he will be happy. Now you wait day life, night value life. Once you don't come on, oh, a lot of people don't know. Now when you dey life, now you dey look am, who don't die and you don't finish o. He just happy, don't go be that. He go dey watch you right now. The very day person die, now that they suffer finish. But what about you that are here right now? You don't know how you are going to die. They may kidnap you, fair cut your penises, carry and go China. Look at what is happening to us in our countries. Pennies go miss. They'll see 7,200 for somewhere they carry and go to China. Nobody go talk. Look at the whole activists today. I don't even know what they are supporting. You are not supporting the person that already have muscles. You are putting down an ideology, that a very lazy ideology with barrel. Now you want to get your freedom. The reason why I came to this very ideology with all my heart is something that can cause a divine change in our lives. No matter your tribe, no matter your ethnicity. Even this thing can also help the Hausas. The Hausa today, they cannot really. I think there was a time, Nnamdi Kanu, I think one of them, they said that they will be deploying ESN to the northern part of Nigeria. I know those walls are the military strategies, you know, so that made them lose gas, so that they go do this thing, you know. But it can happen also. Wike, you are against ESN. Ope Uzodidiot, you are against ESN. Oton, you are against ESN. Now, what did you have on ground to counter the problem your people are facing? You don't have anything on ground. Then you are fooling yourself, always coming out lamenting. Or the book of lamentation all the time. Why not call spade a spade? If a man, they kill all his children and kill his wife, you go and revenge. What does it take for you to revenge? They are in your bushes. You are not telling any Fulani, yes, man, get out. So you mean you want to die in the hand of the Fulani? Then you are calling on Buhari. And God knows. Okay, how will you be calling somebody that is not there? Take the law into your hand. I like the very courage of this very man. What they call it? Yaya Bello of Kogi. He don't make his own statement clear about COVID-19 vaccine. He said, make them not carry and reach where they. You don't get with it. He don't even play any game. He make them play. As a government, you're supposed to get where they respect you. Say, this Simon not take and read the guy here. Is Otto not enough to have 20 bodyguards guiding him apart from even the so-called Janjaweed police that you will rely on today? Why not use the state money to protect your people if you are not brain dead? All of them will come out. Did they shoot gun in Facebook? Where me want see gun where I want shoot? Have I not help you people to pray? How many times have I go to river? How many prayer have you prayed? Then you always there like, reading the book of Lamentation all the time. Eye for an eye, 2 for 2, Exodus 22. You never read that one. Every Sunday, all of you will go to church. You are always saying you will almost be killed. Now you cannot protect yourself. Me now, all the governor life for Nigeria, me they pray for them. My life is more secure than their own. Even you are more secure than their own. Like Opus Zodimana and Wicked, those one life are numbered. Because the people where they don't kill deliberately. You are not killing Fulani, you are killing your people for Fulani. What does that tell you? Does that make any sense? That your governor, they are killing you for strangers. You don't even know their origin. Wike have not been to Bamako before. He have not been to Niger before. They have not been there. He have not been to Sahel. These people, they are from that side. The real Nigerian Fulani, I'm not sure say even 500,000. They imported their people. And our people, they sold their ancestral land to them. This was the cause of war fighting for in Imo State. To protect most of you today. To protect the husband you are going to marry. To protect your own wife. But most of you also betrayed him. You feel you've killed him. You just kill yourself. Cain killing his brother's Abel in the book of Genesis chapter 4. You read it from verse 8 there. You go see him. Does not make him an accepted one. You betraying that very man does not make you to still be free. The war is still going to get to you. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. You are be programmed for the sacrifice. You are be programmed for the sacrifice. That's it. Must happens. Why must you be aligned these same people? Are you know you are still senseless up to now? You doesn't know these people plan towards your own life. You feel it is going to be rosy. If I were to be in war front, a lot of Benin people will also betrayed me. Jesus Christ make it clear. Matthew 10 verse 36. He said, a man's own enemy will be a member of his household. That's why mind the friend you keep. In struggle, I prefer just stay on your own. Just to say where I am right now. I'm on my own. If you want to keep some idiot as a friend, they will be the one to betray you tomorrow. If you tell them that they look for you, they look at where you are running, because money have brainwashed a lot of people. They have used cow to turn their head. Tafiki, this way. That's why instead of me to start betraying the struggle, me and you will go separate. This animal in America up to now, he won't work now, me they work on now. They were what he was called to do. Waiting that they do so, now he's supposed to do it. But instead of they do it, he can't go to show prick. They take cassava. Will Luna the Kano have time to talk about woman issue? So instead of you to come and become an antagonist to me, open your own also. Fight the same freedom and fighting. I will also pray for you. Despite the discouragement, I still choose to stand resolute. Until the end of time, I will not give up this fight. Don't pity me. If I insult anybody, if I read Benime, then kill me. But do not be the one to sell me out. We are living in a society. If you tell people this truth, people will start tagging it and see what it. Now you want the framer. Frame it. Frame it. Heaven and earth they fall, they come, and one person here they want for put. Don't you know it's going to affect everybody? Do you think your house, if the war really come out right now that they do and they conquer you, they are going to collect your own house from you? One Yusuf now will come to stay for your house when you suffer build 30 years for giant. You don't know what's called war. You don't know it. You think it's easy? Your governor that cannot protect you now. Right now, Fulani Herdsmen, they are already taking villages in Nigeria. Occupy it. They can't talk. Okay, who is still going to speak for you then? Is it not the same one the count that is your enemy today? ESM have come to stand. They are heavily soldiers. When they say soldiers of the Lord, if not because of, let me just give American, because they have sophisticated weapons, they cannot defeat ESM. Not even Israeli soldiers. Not even Israeli soldiers. Let go to the field and shoot, and go and shoot. Forget about ballistic missile and the rest of all that. And B-52 jet. We are talking about soldiers. We be saying they go know the one head, your eye go clear. God have really empowered these people to fight this very far. If God give you power to do something, you go do. That's why David could kill Goliath. David was a small boy. When Goliath roar like this, everywhere they shake. 6 cubits tall. Very tall. It was a giant. But who killed him? David. Instead of you to say, okay, una the canon. The old Sasak governor, or no, whether na Southeast na they call them, I don't know how to say now, or those Janja, which state. Una the canon will day your back. He go the war, he go fight time for una. Not be say control. But forming, all of una they form. They kill una they go. They use until they can't score. Benin people now, those ones who start to kill themselves with courtesan just now. That's what they know how to do. Nobody want to reason. Nobody want to do the right thing. All we know about is to start putting hate. What you think you are doing is not going to affect me in anything. If the word even happen for Jan, I first tell you now, vaccine I know they take. If the whole world cast now front of war, me I will carry now even assault rifle. AK-97 now go carry. I'm not a coward. I'm even too big right now to become a courteous way of back. Can't tie your hand, go back, you're under arrest. What are you doing? You day one, you day meeting, they do one corner. All your mate and you in. The people that change this whole life right now, who say me una shut up una mouth. Close your mouth, don't talk. They are human being like you. I should be making it part. Me, I want, if I'm opportune, if I will soon go to the river and lay curse, a very huge curse upon the Britain government of the suffocation they've caused to innocent people. You come to their country, they begin to use their resident to stress you, trying to let you know that where you are coming from is a shithole country. They'll come use and stress you. 10 years, you see they look for 1 year resident. 20 years, you are still looking for 1 year resident. They'll come use and stress you. And the money they are using is from your own country. Because you are a fool, you don't know. Then you'll be stressing yourself. You know, use that anger. If everybody have been going to river, let's say 500,000 people can go to river the way I go. My dear, under one, each of the leader, one of them will be dying. But how many people want to go? You are inside your WhatsApp. These are the same you people. If Europe even cast, me go dey life. Everything around me go dey life because I feel protect them. Spain, Ogbas no dey look for my problem, not be lie they talk. The Ogbas now good they kill am. They no dey look for my wahala. Una don see they do ayalo for Kota. My stubbornness too even part to go join court. That is me na better wit. I'm a freedom fighter. He is too small. I can't deal with one idiot, one small pikin. I want to deal with a nation. The one that the kind of they do now so. Somebody go talk, heaven and earth go obey. Heaven and earth go obey. He go talk and I think he don't declare this thing now. He call so. See what una go do. That Douglas way. Una go. Make anybody go try. Make anybody go try. Earlier the better for us to accept it. We are fought out, we are fought out. Here we are. Please, what can we do? Everybody, if you look, that's why a lot of Nigerians read Bible, but they read it for that people, they don't read it themselves. What is written down in Ephesians 4 verse 7? All they talk about is Holy Spirit. I know this is my own to they cast Holy Spirit for anything. It's not about Holy Spirit. No, it's not about Holy Spirit here. Let's use it to advise ourselves on what to do. Now the governor has money. Ephesians chapter 4. Some may made pastor, some may made teacher. The governor has money. Some of them have heart. Some of them have motto. Let's bring it. Una the canon, you have chest. Come out. Let us stay in your back. Do it just the way David did. The remaining other Israelites, they're not the frontal. David was a small boy. He stand at the front. Just a stone, JSUS, catapult, 90 shoot Goliath and go empower him. Then that stone is the blasting missile of today. It is the blasting missile of today. Automatically fell down. The same sword of Goliath, that was what David draw out from his signet. Now you can take cutting hair, he hold on. David was not charged as a murderer because it was lawful for Goliath to die because he insulted the God of the Israelites. What is Ebola doing today? You don't know you are the Israelite of today, then you are betraying yourself. I see this idiot that they deported from this thing. It not go better for that one for life. That one is running. I don't look at some people. So now so people be. So what did happen before for Bible? It still they happen now. Cain killing his brother Abel don't make him to be the accepted one. Cain became a vagabond. Igbo people, don't be so surprised. Oh. There are you people have a lot of vagabonds, and some will still go to come. Some of them that betray you in 1967, now their children still they betray now today. So go and mark this word. Go and trade their history. Some of these people, efulefus. Now they call them abevulevu. Now they call them. Sorry if I made mistake. Some of them that betray you people in 1967, these are now their lineage still be this one. Useless set of people. You are seeing everything. You are seeing everything. The Fulani herdsmen. Okay, now, whom are you supporting? Whom are you supporting? What is good about your government? What is good about them? That if I were to be you people, leave whatever differences. Let even assume the character of Nnamdi Kanu have not been good right from time, but haven't been able to do this. Okay, when God said, He said David is a man after my own heart. David was not that holy, but what made God to love David was that he's a man that had passion to do the things of God. He brought Goliath down when he saw the God of David. So you may be saying, who is Newton? My dear, my relationship with God, very cordial. I'm more closer to God than that your stupid pastor. Because what I have the mind to do for people, your pastor can never do it. Greediness, not go let them do it. All he does for you is prayer. He will only pray for you. Now me will go use my hand. Take do it. Pray from his room there. Prayer where God not even the answer. They deceive you all. Where are our baby pastors today? Okay, now what is the purpose of the church today? Has it been seen? There are a lot of places I'm not going to go right now. I want me a lot of people sleep. I don't want me and go give them this. I would have analyzed that. I was telling somebody today, when Jesus Christ died, they know the only person to bury Jesus. If you read the book of Matthew 27, from verse 57, when Joseph Arimathea went to go and meet Pilate, say, give me the body of my master Jesus. I want to go and bury him. I can perceive that the reason why Joseph Arimathea went to go and meet Pilate was because of that. Made Jesus Christ fulfill resurrection, so that what was said about him, so that he may be made manifest. He buried him. They don't keep person to bury Jesus. Our Lord, they don't keep. Now only one they bury for the truth. We are living in a society. There are a lot of things you can. If you say it, my dear, a lot of animals, fools, you see them ranting. Your days are numbered on earth. Your days are numbered. Jesus Christ was buried alone. He was buried alone. But look at our society today. No wonder. A lot of things that are not existing is what we are still hearing. Look at human beings everywhere. Where in this world will this kind of a thing happen here in Europe? Facebook, please pardon me. Where in this world will this kind of a thing happen in Europe? Where? That this kind of a thing will happen? This kind of a thing will happen? I don't want to make us spoil this video, Jare. That they matched people life for ground. Then the governor will talk, go back to your hotel, carry your chick, your side chick, leave your wife for us, go flex. Then anywhere you want to go now, you come to discard even the entire Okada. But they don't know say now your convoy they come. Then anytime they go, you always go there. The president. What are you doing as a governor? There are a lot of things you are doing without even the president knowing. Why not do it the same way? Please, Mr. President, anytime, create a vigilante. Invite ESL. Anything you see inside the bush. If Opus Zodima was programmed to Imo State to come and kill Imo people. That was why from fourth position, they make it to become first. Some Igbos animal wey God go punish. Chineke go kill na. What are not the reason? Anyway, they concern. What happened to your father in 1967? A governor today, he's not doing it to protect you. A fully fous. Now what create now? Who are you going to use it to fight? People who does not have human sympathy for their person they are called to govern. None of you reason it today right now. Okay, the reason for breaking Opus Zodima was to come and fulfill the mission of the Fulani. Because if the real person that won the election would have not had the courage to be doing all these things to you, they impose a governor on you. And Opus Zodima never knew that it's not good because that throne does not belong to you. You are going to lose it. You will die in that throne. Go and mark it. Thunder will strike one day and just kill you in a hurry. Kill all your generation. Okay, you are even there. You are not even doing anything that please God at all. Apart from what please your principalities and power. Opus Odima must, Matthew 10 verse 10, be all over you. Matthew 10 verse 10, to kill, to steal, and to destroy. How are you going to govern Imo State? Look at the people, look at the problem that you have. The position that is not for you is what you are occupying. That seat is never for you. You are not even close. That seat is not for you. Now you don't know the people that is fighting you. You don't know when you are going to die. You have a lot of enemy, Opus Odema. The people you feel that they love you because the money they are getting from you. Every reasonable person that get close to Opus Odema and support him in this very administration, may you, whatever that belongs to you, God will collect it from you and give it to another person. Whatever that belongs to you, God will take it from you and give it to another person. If you read the book of Joel chapter 2 verse 25, he said, and I will restore to you the year that the locust and the palmer worm and the caterpillar have eaten. How is that going to be possible when you are not ready to do the right thing? Igbo people, stand for one thing. Fight for what you want. It is high time you know that these people, they are using you. Any of you that they are paid to be insulting on the camel. If you are doing it from personal hate, no problem. But if you are being paid or you will call be insulting this man, today I curse you, you shall wither. If God be God, today if I'm called by God to do this, if you are being called to be insulting on the camel, you will call and say, be doing it. And you people planning to be doing it. My dear, it shall never be well with any of you. It's Zaza Allah. After Cain killed his brother Abel, in the book of Genesis chapter 4, God said you are going to become, he make a vagabond and a fugitive. You will become a fugitive. The same way Jesus called that fig tree in the book of Mark. Today I curse you. None shall eat out of you again. Being that you refuse to produce fruit, none shall eat out of you again. None shall ever eat out of you again. You shall wither. Any of you supporting the killing of the Igbo, supporting the killing of the Benin, supporting the killing of the Asian, today I curse you. You shall die in a hurry. Imagine people like us have strength to do some certain things. We will declare it. Charge a republic president. He not die, not be bullet meter. That's how to know a leader. Okay, you even feel the talk. He not be like a wicked, whether and why can be wicked, idiot. That massacre people in no big book. Because of position, you deny that you are no longer a Igbo person. Because position. Who are you going to leave your children for after your departure tomorrow weekend? Umahi, who are you leaving your children for? Don't you know this thing you are doing will affect your generation? Do you think it's before? What happened in 1967? You are letting people go through the same trauma. Imagine as I been and a person kill my pa. That man idiot with the America. Now only Matty Tro give my power. Now see the warrior and pull so. You know as I dey the America na idiot. I'm not say okay now he control kill my pa. How you expect and say go be? So now so it's still the be. This your administration. It will get to your children. Because God will visit the iniquity of the children to the third and to the fourth generation. If you love your children under normal condition, you behave well. That's why they say good name is better than riches. I've lived all my life trying to be honest by all means. Try to be honest by all means so that I don't know whenever they mention the name tomorrow, so that something good will come out of it. What are they going to remember you of tomorrow? That during your tenure, you done the Fulani. Look at the history people are creating down for yourself. You finish your generation automatically. The Igbo people of 1967 is not the Igbo people of today. They've wives. The Edo people of 1897 is not the Edo people of today. Whereby you can just call anybody, behead them. No, very soon. No matter how you people try to conspire, my dear, it go red. A day you go to come now, no say that Kofra won a day, so people day, they don't want to join Kofra because they don't want to belittle themselves. If there's anything more than Kofra, people they will hear not just correct. Normally, they know they drink. Somebody called me one day, meeting you, they ask, I know they have 365 days, I know they test alcohol. But make a verse. Just try and put your hand in my mouth. Your Igbo will expire. My annoyance and anointing, I mean, they combine together. If you don't know, no. I combine anointing and annoyance together. Your NAC where you drink will expire, my own not expire. I hear people at times, they'll come, they run a threat based on whatever. Nonsense. Fight for what you want. This Europe you are seeing today, they splitted their blood for what they want. No countries in the world that was no one first having problem. Even America today were one first having problem. The so-called Britain, they were one first having problem. How did they fight for their freedom? Look at what Senator Smart Adeyemi is saying. It does not cost anything. How many with that? You never need to carry a gun. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, our senators are there. I pray that may or no government locate them on time. Because those ones are the scam pass. Now they sign because that shouldn't be existing. There's no need for the house. If Nigerians know what they are doing, tackle your problem by yourself. International community will come. America won't come. UN will come. They have problem. Every one of them that support this injection for UN, they don't panic because we don't kill them. The first vaccine is dead on arrival. Very soon it not happen again. God don't kill them. So all of them, they are panicking. They cannot even sit now for any problem. They can't sit. When they make me to be having sleepless night, me are not having sweet dreams. They are not having bitter dreams. Because they know what they have planted. I know exactly what I have planted. And waiting I plant must germinate. What did I plant? I sow good seed. I know how many people are protected in this very struggle. When we are trying to take back our country to 2019, a lot of you were collecting money from APC and PDP, but I still. I know how much of my money and my activism was in AAC. So I've been in this struggle of liberation, not be today start. It's what I enjoy doing it. If everybody can stand up and do what is right, it will be very important. Most of the time, instead of us to do the needful, all every one of us are there trying to suffocate the people fighting for freedom. If you are fighting for freedom, they don't use good English to fight for freedom. It won't work. If you are fighting for freedom and you wear tie, you are not fighting for freedom. You are just assuming. Otona don't talk now, don't finish. If they see kill next tomorrow, like what all these state governors do, Fulani herdsmen go kill for Digi, kill for Kogi, they'll carry visit, go there, we are supporting you with 10 million. No measure, grant though, no measure. They don't put anything on ground to protect these same people. Next tomorrow, they kill again for Sapele. They'll still go there. We came to come and sympathize with the family. We are on it. We will look onto it. That's what they say. They have been looking onto it. No governor have one day verse. All the verse to do is to tackle their people. The people that were supposed to be protecting you as an Eastern, as Igbo person, are the one killing you. Is it one not enough for you to even all of you? If some Igbos are no animal, why must you even remain under slave? Let even assume they don't have the reason to even say they don't need freedom. 4.5 million. Look at your population. How many is Switzerland? Una not the Switzerland. Is Switzerland not 8 million? How many in Luxembourg? Is it not Luxembourg is 600,000? Una not there. Una not count them. How many is Belgium? Is it not about 70,000? Una not count them. Nobody want to do that. Senegal is 15 million. Population of Lagos. 15 million. Senegal. Population of Lagos. Common Monaco here. Monaco for France. Is it not 39,000? 39,000. All of you are out there becoming slaves. Free yourself, you won't free yourself. Igbo people are problem to themselves. Not even the Fulani. If all of you shut up today, hey, una can court do? We know we want to free ourselves. You will be free. You are entangling yourself. Because life suffer. Then you are an Igbo person. You are even betray your struggle. Clear for you. Now God will punish you there. Useless Igbo. You are an Igbo person. You are not supporting your own brother to be liberated. The very day Edo people stand that they need freedom, I will be in the forefront. The very day Edo stand they need freedom, I will be in the forefront. Not the one they are doing. I support, I love freedom. Freedom of the people is more paramount than any other thing, than silver and gold. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and suffer the loss of his own soul? And what shall a man give in an exchange for eternal life? Better to die a man than to live as a coward. Coward die many times. May you never be a coward in Jesus' name. Let me check the time we spent so far. A lot of people, instead of them to stand right. What the advocacy have even done for Breakfast in 2018. Many Igbo people, go and look at them. Now so get it, they follow. They spend money for Benin guests. Some Igbo useless people, they don't know where that Breakfast they come. They don't even know. Very useless set of people. So guys, some Igbo mumu. If I'm talking about Igbo and the Chinese, now some for inside though. Some of them are just your dead. You can use them for human sacrifice. They don't care. You people carry their children, cut them for juju. They don't care. Animal. Set of people. Now don't carry this kind of thing for grant. Minute no support. At the create, I feel mad. Go and confirm who I be. Freedom, I know the use and play. Even though na full and yes man, na full and man today can say he want give people freedom and will support them. But what are Igbo people? There are many now. Go see them everywhere. See them everywhere. Then you still be doing correctness. You are seeing them in your bush. I was talking to somebody. He can say, "Una they cannot intensify everything, and that security will come." Okay, they have been killing you before now. Okay, if not the same man, Igbo person. I was not arguing with him. That very day I said, may I never come across this kind of useless person in my life again. Later, you are always blaming the Fulani. They killed you before. They killed 1967. You couldn't wake up and rebel for your fathers. A lot of your fathers, they died. Up to now, you there abroad. The next thing for you to go Malaysia, go to carry drugs. A fulefu. Animal. Fight for your freedom, you cannot fight. Nonsense. But if you fight because of girl, if all the Igbo people really come out, they want to do the needful. By now, freedom go don't come now. How many people did they need on the street for revolution? How many people did they need on the street? If now even the OB and the traditional rulers come out alone, go for meeting. You are betraying your son. The elders in Israel then, they support David though. They stand for David back. When they look for, okay now, una they look for who want fight Fulani. Who na the kind of they want to not support animals. I'll go pray one bad prayer for una forever. If you be Igbo person, you dey betray una the kind now God will punish you. You be Igbo person and you say una the kind of give Benin people where they curse and now God will punish you. You will never know no peace in your life. You will wither away. Stupid set of people. Why must you be suffocating yourself? I can't get it clear. Suffocating yourself for what? It's not done. And you support good things. If I thought say you know why I won't leave. Now, our father that was in 1967, most of our father done that. Do you think your father will be happy today going through this? Imagine what I couldn't do right now when I'm alive. Can our children do this? They can't do it because they are not buffalo soldiers. They are not born with it. We should split our blood for it. What our father couldn't do, some of the error they made, we have to correct it now. A lot of people are still reading miseries. They are still reading miseries. Talking about wazobias. Fully set of people. A small boy, up to now, my head not correct. I'm not reading Israel. I'm not doctor can see. Even the father, okay now, have you ever one day be writing, you can't say, look for S in engineering. Before you go study engineering, you have to first of all look for S. Y is equals to 4. Look for 2S. How many times have you be counting money and S miss inside? This was how the UIT, they manipulated your head. During our forefather, not be one that they count. Owo, Eva, Eha, Ene, Ato, Isi Ato, Isi Atu, Isi Adis. Not so that they count. That's why arithmetic rich. Now so arithmetic rich. But they can't turn your head now. See all of them for John now. Has to not let you go. Oibona, thank God for the brain those one get. They'll come by the use document, they stress you. And you pay tax later, they'll make and stress you small for value. Not the same paper, not the same pretty machine, they print their own. What makes you to be more superior? Not be people do one idiot. Because they speak in one mind. If they are falling out in protest, in Madrid, everybody go fall out irrespective of your whether you be a year, you be a year. But now let them segregation of color, ethnicity. Benin man go see say na Igbo person the key. He not concern not be Benin person the key. It's useless set of a womerije. Very brainless people. Who is Buhari that will be controlling all of you? Make grand replay, make people like us 10 match enter that Nigeria. Mona they see a Rambo pattern. Must everybody blend? We are spiritually blend. Spiritually. Now we be. Una see me the craze one day for this giant. When I go catch some people we don't F well. Mona they know say a lot of people just dey. If the something don't happen, I don't even know whether Bale be there. That's why they respect myself. I know one make small pikin me wey me know the day wey dem born. Small pikin wey dey wear pants when me new enter jam come the time and that's why I know they commit crime. The only crime I will commit, I don't first talk am for like this for Facebook. Anything wey wan make me go jail and come my TV then say you were too raw. Yeah, why me body don't see what gear be one. I'll just make them, you pour and spit. And if you can't follow you, they do all those kind of things when they do for France, they do for Italy. They show 2 fingers in the air, like father, like children. Your father is a cultist, can also be a cultist. Any group where papa will smoke, remember, go say, my pikin still give me a smoke. Irresponsible generation. A castituant and a bovine. Or Australia wallaby. Responsible, they will never responsible. Fight for what you want. You can never. Now, Ibon can't do everything. Look at what that senator is saying. Crying for international community. Okay, I fight more. As now they say international, now me una they call. Me the international. Una see they call now they come. You know the rest. International community one. Now me, people like us now they call. Now we make international community. People they abroad today, they don't even know. They don't even know what still be international. They don't know. They don't want to know. All they know is to just suffer and die. That house I must complete them. And Fulani herdsmen, they will inherit your property when the war happen. Your governor that cannot protect you now when war never happen. Now I protect you tomorrow. I see them building up. I told you, whatever project you are doing, stop it. Make the country cool down first. Who want follow you, dragon? You buy land for your community, they'll collect them from you. Your John will go sell and give another person. I'm not going to say Fulani. Then what are we talking about? Now who says all the word and show secret? They can't go Indian. Use cow to separate all of them and make them not unite. Waiting go make Igbo man, they fight Igbo man. For your brava. Biafra have been mapped out as a country right from the one. Right from 1960 something. Biafra have been mapped out as a country. It is already there as a country. Just go there. It be like the land that God sold to the children of Israelite. Through Abraham. He sold unto them. It's just for them to go there and but they were coming. They met strangers in that land. They met people there. They fight for it. They ran war of Jericho. You see this one. Apart from Senator Aberibe, I pray that they don't kill that man. We have Igbo. They are multi-billionaires. All you don't do because I dey praise una. Today I no fit praise una again. Na Igbo people get the most idiotic people pass and Benin. People who don't even know to fight for themselves. That slavery mentality never see come up from our head. What stops you from fighting for your own freedom? What stops you? You are waiting for UK to Boris Johnson could come and fight it for you. Or you wait for Queen Elizabeth may come fight freedom for you. The whole gold from Africa, they UK there. If not because of suffering, we are not supposed to even venture UK because they are our number one enemy. UK are the one that suffocated black race what they so. UK, they are the one that suffocated black race. Did they make here to come fee? They go trace you for this one, trace you for this one. You go write letter, write. Put it for paper. They'll say not favorable. Now so this one, they'll come to threaten you. Now so want deport you to your country. Animals. Only this man will be not to do well for Tanzania because he no accept this injection. John Pablo Magufuli. Now John Pablo Magufuli now go call all of una. The one that take killer. They kill him too. Because they know South Africa never unite. Me Africa unite na story. Look at Nigeria today. Instead of the activists move, come down, speak on one voice. End Nigeria now. This one go to talk this one. This one go to talk this one. Now so want to get the freedom. God they punish you now. We don't want unite. Move draw one rope. No people fair use a senator Ekweremadu. Take your example. What can they say Ekweremadu treatment? I love most of them. Igbo people, they have cooperation. But we need more Igbos. More join hands together. Raise this flag once. Una fit even get brafa, fit no even come there. But I dey pity una. My pa and my man no dey Benin. So I'm no longer a slave under anybody. I can choose to live the rest days of my life, even in Burkina Faso, in Burkinabe. I can survive in anywhere. I can survive in Niger. Even in Morocco, I have a lot of friends. They have a good friend in Senegal. I can live the rest of my life there. I'm not saying, but I dey pity you now. You cannot keep on going through this. Your country has been prepared down for you, just for you to take it. It's already a land. But there is a war there. But if you pray effectively, that war will fall. And that war is the war of caliphate. The British concentration must have to be broken. It must break. You are there. One at the Go River. Go the British government remove hand away from our life. You have killed all the. Imagine, look at the so-called useless Britain, what they are saying. Come and take asylum. That one not an idiot. Britain, they get brain passable people. If not be waiting spoil. Get something, feast up your nation. Then you are there. Daughters, Edo people now, they do daughter there, they clean people shit. But their papa for her, they don't fit clean the shit. Or in the name of money. We are still into slavery today. You and I, we are still into slavery. Until we get our sexual land fixed the way it ought to be. We have to liberate ourselves. This one is not life. Yeah, you can't give me resident. Give me passport. I can't the phone. Nigerian passport not the passport. It's a means of identification. It is a means of identification. But most of us now, we can't change them when we come here. What way not drive come over, you say drive you. Up to Nigerian is borrowing money. But nobody see what's wrong about that. Instead of you to think sick about your ass. My 20 years from now, how is it going to be? If I'm 70s, will these people still allow me here with this thing that is happening? Do you think if you don't cheat for house because of jedi too much of sweet things where you eat, your children will come they walk up and down for you? I do a program, was yesterday, I said, ask yourself, what make Britain people to sick more than every other European country? Where we say, na so they are white people there, they make Britain, na so they are head, not the correct. What did they cause for them? Don't you think that same thing will also affect you one day if care is not taken? You think it's normal? You think it's normal that this world is how it's supposed to be? You think it's normal? The demonic entity on the demonic kingdom on earth in Britain, you may not know because they are using pounds. I always use this word. I know they talk say Nigerian way they there. Don't get it twisted. Because I know a lot of people they are very low thinker. If you talk about Britain now, because they did, they can't run this thing. Not be alone, and they Britain though. He particularly here though. Some of them not just the reason at all. They're not just the reason why lie. And why they all use here take hit grant without even considering anything at all. You not see waiting this you not see waiting this or the right now. You not see. You not see. You don't say Prince Fred Ogbe. You not see. You not see. You know, saying this is how they cause problem in Igbo people's platform. With this very name now, you don't know where from they come. These are the cause problem. These are the cause problem. Una see, and these are the cause problem. Ogbe now, that one not be Prince Fred Ogbe. That one go be Benin name now. You see how they cause problem. You see how they cause problem. You see them. Fulani Espen not call it Papa and Mama Mumu now. He they call me Mumu. You know, saying people don't they insult and already safe. I not even question. I didn't see him on time. And he know he me I know your answer. Me I not make him popular. And I'm frustration the warrior. Maybe now one of those courts with the radio friend for Italy. So let's quickly recap this. In Italy, that was yesterday, 27. About 30 useless Janjaweed courtists were raided. They were raided. As a matter of fact, let me just read the news in brief. Let me just read the news to you in brief. 30 Nigerians suspected to be members of Black Ass arrested in Italy, April 27. The Italian police says they arrest 30 Nigerians suspected to be members of the Black Ass mafia gang that has been operating in different parts of the country. Black Ass is a confraternity that was originated from the University of Benin in the 1970s. The arrest reportedly took place in the 4 provinces across Italy. That's what they know how to do. And if you count this thing, now no one mentioned the tribe will go many pass. Now they be the manufacturer of this very thing. They're the manufacturer. Tell me, why you they form courtesan for Europe? Then let me play another video quick to you again. The one that happened in France. The one that happened in France. You can see how people can be stupid. Then tell me why you want. There's no way Igbo will ever respect you one day now. There's no way. Why would Igbo want to respect you? Look at it. Now, this person now where they talk now, if you not get results, and these people now fear pass, just jam only one now. Jam only one and go just zero. Imagine. You only see your Igbo like this. You can't even see them. This is what they do. This is what they know how to do. This quoting where they quote now, I cannot quote John 3:16 for God so love the world. But they get papa, get mama, where they encourage them for this nonsense. All their mates, they are manufacturing plane. Even the ass now we carry, not even know how they take doing. He had never been to the company one where they manufacture the ass. They can't do anything. Here is in camp, they are still in camp. They are in IGP camp, also in camp in Europe here. Nigerians. If there is second life, mama will want bomb me. If you bomb me for Nigeria, waiting I go do. But I don't believe in that day. If my family I pass home, more than one bomb me. If you bomb me for Nigeria, you cannot see Senegal with all these things. They also their thing they go. Look at it. A lot of people are in jail today up to today because of courtesan. This is not the proof for their table. At the end of the day, they'll come to cry. Like the one that happened in Germany that day. They want to kill us. They lock us, want to go back to our country. UN kill you there. What have you been giving to your country that you wanted to give back to you? Nothing. You are not doing anything. Later now they complain. They just punish us here. As if when you were at home, even your traditional ruler, they were able to give you not even one water. They sold all your oil, sold all your land. You couldn't talk. Either you come to Germany, you come to report. I'm just videoing right now, and the way they are treating us, we don't just like it. Shut up your mouth. You are a slave now. You are in another man's land. If you are not said, okay, look at what the way these people, they are in their indigenous state. Now they do. May I play unto you for those of you that just come. Let me play this one. We end it with this very one. This is a governor. A governor. They give him people make it a protector. He is complaining. I'm not going to say you wait there for real land. You even thank God say they never kill you eat. You are not even lucky. This is a state governor. In their own indigenous place. Their own village or their own place. Now they kill them puso. Listen. Their own place. I'm not going to say you wait there Germany. They complain. What did you expect? Just watch this. We close with this now.
It is an unfortunate development that what is happening, if the federal government have taken proactive steps, today will not be where we are. These cops you're seeing here, in the last 2 weeks, we are burying over 70 people just in Makurdi local government alone. This is not accepted. Go to Guma, the same killings are taking place. Go to West, the same killings are taking place. This is not right.
Now, Oton is complaining. He is complaining. This EDG. Now they kill you. They don't kill you for Germany, kill you for the Italy where you did. They complain. Complain again, me Italian government head kill you and the Igbo head. But do you know why they racist to now? Because they look and say, now be fool. You have everything that will make your country to be okay. Instead of you to gather yourself, gather small money, more and find go empower or join one gang, one until they rebel on our government, they beat all of them. If I will even form any other organization here, organization cash, a political battle that will go open and soon. If we just hear say any senator land for Madrid, we'll just go. And our bats no senator down what they do. We want to do hand to hand ringing. There are a lot of things that is not into law. You force people to accept it. Done the same way now they cannot force ESN to federal government of Nigeria. Are they not living together before? Who do you think is winning the fight? Why did they go assassinate the guy they assassinated? Why? Because they know say the fight don't they tough for them. Let them wait. I pray may the innocent people more realize on time, make una resign from any position where una dey. May God punish all these people in Jesus' name. Then una dey there the fool themselves. A governor is complaining. Put a price. What measure has he put on ground? Where government can scatter? Where president can scatter? You are wanting president to tell you, carry AK-47, kill my brother. You not very know say Buhari, Mumu Buhari na tribalistic somebody. You should know that more than every other person. There's something I saw. This thing is not going down. Make all these animals not come make me cut my video today. Anything when I want that more right. If you right back come at now power now man they talk to. Cause everyone will do what one your pan your man you they insult whosoever that insult me there. If waiting at the talk now by myself, it shall be well with you. If not be by myself, say at the pity say that they keep people. My dear, you will never know peace in your life. All the people they have killed today in Bonu, they will call you. He comes all here now go kill you. Idiots. They always want to fool themselves. Cultists. Come and will me now. I will lie you down. Now that one also now una if they legalize una for Nigeria, they don't legalize una here. If they legalize una for Nigeria, they don't legalize una here. If I don't want to make body they catch you. Maybe you're number one man. You know, if they fail, they greet me the money. I will stop on the sword. You got your nest, I got my nest. Okay? So don't ever imagine it. Don't ever think of it. If you think of it, you will have yourself to blame. You will find yourself in a cardiac of trouble. Me, I be like dead body not the fear death. So now you value your life. I've gotten what makes a man. Now you know. But I bet you, not try me. In presence of Ogba, I'll just shook you for nyans. You know why they reach. You know how they take the do. Small children. God bless every one of you in Jesus' name. Till I come across your way again, I remain Comrade Newton Igbeneghu, the Archbishop of Activism, the role for democracy and ambassador for good governance. So any person will write that comment there, they see Mumu there. Maybe you are trying to reply somebody. If you write that comment, I pronounce today, you will become Mumu in your life. Now God go punish your pa, he go punish your mama, except he say, I cry each way day. If when the situation where Nigerian dey so good, it will be well with you. If God of heaven love the situation of Nigeria, he shall be well with you. But if God don't like the situation of Nigeria, my dear, the whole calamity on the world will fall on you. Now wetin wan kill Joe Biden, I go kill you. Jay where Obama wan go, now your pa your man will go in Jesus' name. What be you are. Because I'm not gentle like that. No call them misbehave here. What bera, what do, bera you. Nonsense. Spending my time here trying to do better thing. Una they cannot talk buwa. I be idiot, man. Every bera here do. You have to back video. Very useless set of ethnic group is over animals. So good everyone, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. Bye, ciao.